welcome back to Fabricating Fringe. My name is Amber. Today we're going to talk about what is under your wig. Everybody has a different opinion about what works, what doesn't work, what they like, what they don't like. A lot of people don't know what to use, or they haven't tried a number of different things. I kind of like a lot of them for their different reasons. So that is what we will be discussing today in this video, is what is under the wig. A lot of the time people's biggest concerns is what's comfortable under your wig, or they're thinking, okay, what product, what item is going to help my wig stay on. So comfort, security, there are a wide range of subjects that decipher what you wear under that wig. Before we move on, in case any of you guys are wondering, the wig I'm wearing right here is by John Renault. This is Marion, and the color is 433, so it's quite dark, but I'm liking her. I'm actually going to have a video review of this one up right after this here educational video, so keep watch for that. Okay, let's first talk about your various wig liners. The first one I want to talk about is a nylon wig liner. I actually have a nylon one on underneath this here wig. As you can see, I adhered it with some adhesive, and I trimmed off the front edge to make it even more seamless under my lace front wigs. But yeah, I really like nylon wig liners under your more delicate Swiss lace type wigs. I think it really holds the hair in, makes it nice and flat, like as if, you know, it's just skin underneath, if that makes sense. But let's just talk about these nylon wig liners and give you some more information. So your nylon wig liners are probably your most common. If you go into a wig shop and you try on a wig, a nylon wig liner is most likely what you will use underneath your wig. It has a single opening. It's made out of nylon material, like the tights you like to wear. These nylon wigs are great for people with little to no biological hair. So this is a disposable wig liner. You'll want to replace it after every 5 to 7 wears because it will start losing its elasticity. It will be baggy and won't stay on your head very well. The way you'd put on this nylon wig liner is you just basically put it over your head, and it's going to cover all of your hair and sit right around the perimeter of where your hairline would be. To remove, you just slide it off the back of your head, unless of course it is adhered like mine, and then you'll want to add some, water or something to soften up that adhesive. All right, now let's talk about the Fishnet wig liners. These are the wig liners I started wearing at the very beginning. Here is a John Renault one. It's upside down. I'm not going to take this one out of the package. I have a used one, so it's kind of stretched out, but it gives you guys the idea of what it looks like. I really like these Fishnet wig liners. It keeps your hair nice and in place. If you do have a little bit more biological hair or it's long, these are really nice as well. It's quite simple to put on. It has 2 openings. The elastic band is where it will fit around the perimeter of your hairline, but you want to put it on by putting it around your neck like a necklace. And then it's a lot easier if you don't have earrings on. You'll take it back up around your head. And if you had hair, quite a bit of hair, what this does is you pull this up, and all that hair will be collected inside this mesh wig liner. I did do a video a few years ago about how to properly measure your head for a wig and how to wrap your hair in a wig liner. So that might be helpful. If you do have quite a bit of biological hair, some people will have a difficult time because they'll have a lump of bio hair. They feel like it makes the silhouette of their wig look funky because there's a bunch of hair in the back and it makes bumps. This here video kind of teaches you how to spread your biological hair out so it's nice and even, creating a natural silhouette when you have your wig on. So the difference between a nylon wig liner and your Fishnet wig liner is basically A fishnet is going to accommodate those with more biological hair. A nylon one is more ideal for somebody with little to no biological hair. Because of the one single opening, it's a little bit harder to, have stay on your head over all that bio hair. This can stay on your bio hair. It has more give and stretch, and by putting it around your neck like a necklace and pulling back up, that contains all that bio hair nicely. This wig liner is disposable, so after 5 to 7 wears, give or take, you'll want to throw it away because it will lose its elasticity and won't stay on your head and hold your bio hair as well. To take this off, if you guys have pinned down these little ends, you'll want to remove the pins and then slide it off your head. It's quite easy, pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory, but that just gives you an idea of these two disposable wig liners. They're both very comfortable, soft on the head, and that's what we want. Okay, now let's move on to the non-disposable wig liners. This here is a Jon Renau Softy wig liner in 2 different colors. They have a variety of colors available. Now these wig liners have a single opening, and you just basically put it on like a cap. Now these softies are fantastic because they are made out of a very soft bamboo viscous material. That's fantastic for those with sensitive scalps. They want that barrier that's nice and soft. It also has an air wicking element to it. So even though it is, this material, it's nice and cool, and it helps with, heat and sweating and things like that. This type of material will really adapt to the body. If you're chilly, it will keep you warm. If you are hot, it will keep you cool. So if you're going through chemotherapy or you have some sort of autoimmune disorder where your scalp is really sensitive, this might be a great option because of how soft it is on the skin. This is fantastic for those with little to no bio hair. This isn't a disposable piece. However, with daily wear, it's going to last you from 3 to 6 months. You'll want to wash it about every week. So it's quite simple, self-explanatory how you would put this here cap on. And there she is, the Jon Renau Softies. Oh, well, this just came off. So with wig liners, it's really just preference and what you personally feel comfortable in. Okay, so my hair is all over the place, so I decided to put this back up inside of a mesh wig liner, and then we'll move on. Okay, so for those who really are active, they wear more of a soft Swiss lace wig, or even if they wear a ready-to-wear stretch cap type wig, but they really want to know that they are secure and their wig ain't gonna fly off, there are a few options. For instance, the Jon Renau Stay Put Wig Grip. It's one of those velvet wig grips that really helps keep that wig into place. They do have a variety of color options, and then they have this gorgeous Swiss lace material right in the middle so that you can place that on your head where you like to part your wig. And then you have the velvet material on either side, and this is what helps grip that wig and keep it nice and secure and in place. This is not a disposable piece. You can wear it daily. You slide this on just like a cap, and then you can adjust it and move it to the perimeter of your hairline. How to remove this is you just basically slide it off your head. This really helps wigs from shifting and sliding. Another nice thing about the Jon Renau wig grip, which is called Stay Put, is that their thinner adjustable strap is quite nice, and they do have a strip of silicone at the nape, so this will further secure this wig grip on your head. These Stay Put wig grips will fit anyone from an average to large size. I hear that there is a rumor that there might be some petite wig grips in production. Okay, now that we've talked about wig grips and wig liners, I want to talk about another form of security, and that is tapes, adhesive tapes. So I love the Walker brand. I do want to talk about how to properly put, tapes on your head. One thing that they really suggest is prepping the area that you're going to use that tape on. A product that I absolutely love for that purpose is Lace Let Go by Jon Renau. You can use just a little bit of this on a Q-tip, clean the area where you are going to place that tape, both on your wig and on your skin, and that just makes sure that there's no oil, dirt, makeup, and things like that, and you have a great bond. Now this red Walker tape, it's fantastic for polyurethane. If you see a polyurethane strip, use this tape on the polyurethane and then, you know, adhere it to the perimeter of your head, your skin, wherever that needs to go. For your blue tape, you'll use that on your lace material, and then you'll put it on that in that same way and use your Lace Let Go to prepare it, and then you'll go ahead and use Lace Let Go to let it go. Essentially, you'll use a Q-tip and this product and shimmy that Q-tip up there along that tape adhesive and break down that bond to help let it go without damaging your lace, your skin, and things like that. I did create a little demo video quite a few years ago on how to use this Lace Let Go on a polyurethane strip wig. So if you want to check that out, go find my tips and tricks, and it should be in there. I don't know if you guys noticed, but Jon Renau just came out with some pressure sensitive clips with like a tape piece on it, so you can put them on your softy beanies. You can add them to other pieces if you want that extra security. You can always use pressure sensitive clips, sew them on, you know, tape them on, and put them in the areas where you want more security. So that is an idea as well. Of course, you want to be mindful of your delicate hand-tied areas, and so try to avoid putting those pressure sensitive clips on those pieces. You'll want to place them on wefted areas, polyurethane areas, and those more durable sections where you want to clip. And with these clips, no adhesives are necessary. You just clip and they stay put. So just to make sure you guys have all of the tapes in order, I'm going to quickly tell you your white tape adhesives are for daily wear. So it has easy removal, and you'll want to put those on polyurethane based materials. Your red wig liner adhesives are also for polyurethane based materials. And this adhesive has a medium tack for extra security and minimal residue. And then of course you have your blue liner adhesive used on the lace front base materials. This is a very popular adhesive, and this adhesive has a high tack with a dull finish to mimic the lace materials for a natural looking hairline. Of course, I did mention that Lace Let Go, and that's been formulated to dissolve and remove adhesives. Always perform a patch test on your forearm before using a product like this, just to make sure you don't have any sensitivities or allergic reactions. All right, you guys, let me know what you think about this video, if it was helpful. What do you like to wear under your wig? What's your favorite thing? What's your most secure, ideal thing that you choose to put on under your wig? Is there something that I didn't mention that you prefer? Comment below, let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out the next video where I will share this beautiful dark Marion wig. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you later. Bye.